Hey folks, want to give you a quick rundown on how about it's going to do a quiz repair form. Once you get into your Google Classroom, head over to Classwork and head on down to the bottom of the screen where you'll find a resource worksheet called a quiz repair form. You want to click on that, and you're going to need to create your own copy because that's how this works. You can't adjust the master. And at which point, once that fires up, my suggestion would be to do two things. One, you may notice this might, it's already in a Google Docs. Wonderful. So we're going to make your own copy of it first. So we're going to hit File. Come on, we can do it. File, make a copy. And you're probably going to want to save it in your drive, and that's fine. But what I recommend doing is first giving it your last name. That's your last name and first. And then also tell me which quiz you're looking to repair. So this one's going to be for maybe Unit 2 vocab quiz. Alright, save it in my drive and hit OK. Alright, so now a new document pops up. Now, this is where you're going to need to probably split your screen into two, but I'm going to drag this one over here so that I've got half my screen over here. There we go. And get rid of that one there. I don't need that anymore. And go back to my classwork. And I'm going to go and pick just randomly maybe Unit 2 vocab quiz. So Unit 2 vocabulary quiz, here it is. Now your screen's going to look a little bit different, only because you being the student. So you're going to find some of the same similar tabs, and you're probably going to need to open up the quiz. You might need to actually open up that in a new tab. So we'll see how it responds here. Alright, so it's trying to open it in Google Classroom, which means it's unfortunately in the way. So I need to actually go over here on these three dots, and I need to click Open in a New Window. Just that way I can see everything. Open in a new window. So a new tab pops up, and now the quiz will be right there. Now the other thing I need to look at is I need to look at my responses in the Google form. So I've taken this quiz and say I got a 60 and or 50, whatever the score is. You have the opportunity to earn back half the points you missed. So if you got a 70, that means you missed 30 points. Half of 30 is 15, so 70 plus 15 is an 85. So like I said, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. But when you click on the Google form, and yours is going to say, you already submitted your score, would you like to see your score? Click on Show Score, at which point it'll show you the actual questions you get wrong. So say by chance it says you got number 4 wrong. Okay, so I go back to the actual quiz so I can see what the quiz is. And I see here numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have a chart showing kinetic energy increasing and increasing temperature. And I end up getting number 4 wrong for the state of matter. I put solid by accident, and that is incorrect. Now, based upon looking at my answers, and it tells me what the correct answer is, I now know that number 4 is actually plasma. And so what I would do is I'd go over here to this document over here, this quiz repair, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to type number 4, and I'm going to write down what I needed to know. Plasma is a state of matter that has high kinetic energies. Kinetic energy. And I'm going to put equals lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Alright, so lightning bolt. Now I've just gone and demonstrated to the teacher that I now have a better sense of that question and the answer that's associated with it. And then I go on to the next question I got wrong. When this is all done, and I've done my quiz repair, I am then going to share it with Mr. Millett. For those who don't know, my first name is Joseph, M-U-L-L-E-T-T, and at which point you go ahead and send me there. Okay? So, now you go on and done your quiz repair. I'll see it. I'll go and send it back to you with an update, and I'll adjust your grade accordingly. All right. Thank you.